with a proper diet, you can actually not only protect your existing kidney function, but improve your kidney function.
I can't believe he really said that.
They were eating a low carbohydrate diet. That means they're probably eating more protein and fat.
Oh my goodness.
So if you're a patient suffering from chronic kidney disease, hey, I would like to have improved kidney function.
He is going to someone. Oh my goodness. Catherine here. I've been on YouTube for more than 10 years, and this is going to be the first and only time in my career I make a video to react to another YouTuber. I'm doing this because I'm really worried about the health of people suffering from kidney problems. People have already lost their lives due to the kind of misinformation this doctor is actively promoting to millions of viewers on his channel. So, today we are going to see the truth about the only diet in the world that was tested on more than 3,000 kidney disease patients and was found to be able to stop CKD progression in the advanced stages. Nope! The keto diet is not going to help. The diet that can save your kidneys is not a diet rich in protein. It's a diet with almost no protein at all. Okay guys, this video needs a warning. If you have kidney problems, do not follow a diet rich in protein. There is scientific evidence to link an increase in protein intake to kidney failure. So let's see why this doctor on YouTube is saying that the keto diet can be used to restore kidney function in people suffering from kidney disease.
That with a proper diet, you can actually not only protect your existing kidney function, but improve your kidney function. They were eating a low carbohydrate diet. That means they're probably eating more protein and fat.
Okay, what he is saying here is completely wrong and dangerous. And I want to add that if you have been diagnosed with kidney disease, you should never self-prescribe a diet, especially do not start a keto diet or other high-protein diets if you are in stage 3 of CKD or worse. I'm telling you this because there have been reports of people losing their lives due to the keto diet. Less than 2 years ago, an Indian actress passed away from kidney failure at the age of 27 due to complications related to her keto diet. Not to mention the decades-long studies conducted on thousands of patients linking more meat and protein in the diet to increased metabolic acidosis. So, why is this doctor telling people with kidney disease to start a keto diet? Well, it's probably not because he sells books about the keto diet. The real reason seems to be this small study. It looks like CKD patients in this study were able to achieve a better kidney function after following a keto diet for about 30 months. So on the surface, it may look like the keto diet helped these CKD patients. But if we look at the data researchers presented in this study, we will immediately see the incredibly dangerous flaw. This study was never conducted on real kidney disease patients. The baseline median eGFR of the participants of the study was 85.5. With an eGFR of 85.5, you are not a kidney disease patient. Your kidneys are still very healthy. Now, I'm not saying that all these findings are not valid, just that they should never be trusted by people actually suffering from kidney disease. Now, I'm not saying that these findings are not valid, just that they should never be trusted by people actually suffering from kidney disease. According to the study he cited, the only patients that may benefit from the keto diet are diabetic and overweight patients with healthy kidneys. Again, if your eGFR is higher than 60, you are not considered a kidney disease patient.
How a ketogenic diet actually improves your kidney function.
Improves your kidney function.
So guys, never trust what you see on the internet. Do your own research, question everything, read the studies that are cited, or even better, print them and bring them to your next doctor appointment before applying them to you. This is why I always link the study I talk about in video description. I want you to read those studies. Now, a very important question. Is there a diet that is actually going to stop kidney disease? And I mean, is those actually suffering from kidney disease? Yes, there is a diet which is actually linked to greatly slow down and even stopping kidney disease progression in the advanced stages. This is a diet which is the polar opposite of the keto diet. A keto diet is a diet very high in protein, so a lot of meat, fish, poultry, yes, all those things that I always tell you not to eat. Frankly, I was not surprised at all when I've read in the news about that poor actress to the keto diet. The diet you want to follow is a diet that has almost no protein at all. It's a diet called VLPD, or very low protein diet. Is the VLPD really proven to stop kidney disease? The very low protein diet, and I'm putting the emphasis on very here, or VLPD from now on, is used to treat the advanced stages pre-dialysis kidney disease. It is proven to work by a large review of studies published in the Cochrane Library. Researchers and many doctors firmly believe that it can basically stop the progression of the disease even in the advanced stages. This is a diet that will remove the greatest burden for the kidneys in existence: protein. It's not a secret that a plant-based diet is the best way in the world to protect the kidneys and slow down kidney disease progression. And that's because plant-based foods are not rich in protein and they pack a punch when it comes to nutrition. Not to mention that protein a keto diet is so rich in is very acidifying for the kidneys. This is why the low-protein diet, the polar opposite of the keto diet, is the most used and most effective diet to fight kidney disease progression. What foods are always allowed in a VLPD? All vegetables and fruits suitable for a renal diet will fit in a VLPD. They don't contain protein. The exception is legumes, nuts, and seeds. These do contain some protein. They can be had, but in very small amounts. High-fat foods such as vegetable and olive oils, but also olives, flax seeds, chia seeds, are very recommended. Someone with potassium levels under control may add avocado and coconut, two very healthy fat sources, to their diet. In some cases, even low-sodium dressings and mayonnaise may be acceptable. What foods should you always avoid in a VLPD? High-protein foods are to be avoided completely in a VLPD. This includes any kind of meat and fish, but also eggs and dairy are to be completely removed. Okay guys, if you are interested to learn more about the diet that stops kidney disease, in my video up here, there are all the answers I have shown from a practical point of view how to follow this incredibly powerful diet. And this is all for today. Thank you for watching.